range and large payload of precision munitions place it at the forefront of air operations in defense of the United States. The B-2's unique properties make it ideal to knock down the door of enemy defenses, allowing follow-on friendly forces to operate with reduced risk. B-2s led the way in the campaigns over Afghanistan and more recently in Iraq, where their accurate payloads of up to 16 2,000-pound joint direction attack divisions were an integral part of the effort to remove the regime of Saddam Hussein from power. The B-2 carries a crew of 2 pilots and is capable of striking anywhere in the world, either by flying directly from its base in Missouri or by deploying to forward locations outside the United States. The B-2 holds the record for the longest combat mission in aviation history, 44 hours from Whiteman Air Force Base to targets in Afghanistan. Ladies and gentlemen, America's premier bomber, the B-2.